May I please, Your Lordship?
Mr.
I
Kotak.
beg to mention one item, Your Lordship. Item number 63, last item of the bail hearing, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, if Your Lordship somehow it does not reach, may I pray for taking up the matter before rising, Your Lordship? Deeply obliged.
Let's read it. I take to mention item number 57. But I am not ignorant and it is also not available.
From which police station?
Dagi Road. Let it be on Wednesday.
When you have passed the last order, any idea? When the court passed an order?
The matter was left over.
When the court passed the order seeking the case diary,
22/10.
Last 29 of they have made it clear that
yes,
it's for
22nd, Friday.
On interim report.
May it please, Your Lordship, I'd like to mention a criminal petition which the petitioner wants to withdraw. Since the fact that he do not want to proceed as he is having some financial constraints, Your Lordship. This matter was last listed on 19/9/2024 and it is in the admission stage where LCR was called for. But now he do not want to proceed since he have some obligations and as per his instructions, praying for withdrawing the same. Lordship.
Where are you making mention before this court? Because when this court is not taking up criminal petitions.
Being the senior most bench,
As you are not taking, you make the mention before the appropriate bench. If it is not taken, we will consider.
my lord.
Lordship, I beg to mention bail application, Lordship, that statutory period going to be complete on 20, 90 days. Will be complete.
Give the number.
Yes, Lordship.
It's pending or Mr. Saika, is it pending or it was when it was last listed?
It was last list on 20.
Which
last
police
list
station?
On 14, Lordship. Altogether police station, Lordship. Matter relating to financial scheme, Lordship. CBI, Lordship, we have already implemented as party responded.
You have implemented CBI.
Yes, Lordship.
Inform Mr. Haloy and Geddy will take it up at 2 o'clock.
Lordship, on 20, Lordship. 90
We know
days
that.
will be complete.
We know that. Geddy inform Mr. Haloy. Let Haloy be here at 2 o'clock.
Yes.
Of course, he'll be here after some time. Yes.
May I please, Your Lord? I beg to mention a bail application for listing for motion, my lord. It was filed on 30/10 and registered on 5/11.
Not listed.
Not listed. Tomorrow, maybe.
Day after tomorrow,
My lord.
if it is not defective. Yes.
Item number 59.
Yes.
it's very certain.
This is from which police station?
Oh, yes.
You are not aware. 26th.
May I please, Your Lordship? So I beg to mention item number 65 from supplementary list, my lord. In this case, my lord, last 2-3 days, my lord, 6 numbers of accused has been arrested, my lord. And I am paying for up-to-date CD for on that part.
Lordship,
Regards, my lord.
Lordship will remember on Friday, Lordship had gone through the case diary, Lordship, and they had sought for time. But Lordship has gone through the case diary and given me the liberty to mention it in the morning. So they are seeking time, Lordship. He is on interim, Lordship, and his custody interrogation is of utmost importance, Lordship.
At 2.
My lord, what happened in this case?
Let us see. We'll pass the order.
Item 61, my lord.
Hmm.
The lordship called the CD is not available, my lord. From
which
Lahore,
police station,
Lahore,
Mr. Ali?
Orikhat, Lordship.
on 25th, my lord.
26, Lordship.
Okay.
Obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 64, Lordship. On behalf of Mr. A.M. Bora, Lordship, he is not keeping well, Lordship. He had to be admitted to the hospital. Can it be day after tomorrow, Lordship? Because the statutory period is also coming here. I have also informed the CBI, Lordship. On 20th, Lordship. You have to be admitted.
Statutory period will complete when?
Lordship, there are sometimes it is 75 days today, Lordship. But Can it be on the 20th, day after tomorrow?
20, yes, okay.
Lordship, and kindly one more request, we'll pay for a VC, Lordship, because I think he'll be appearing from the hospital.
We make a mention tomorrow, you have to give in the line.
Lordship,
We just,
that is
we do
what
not
I-
permit like that. There's a
Lordship.
process, as you know.
Yes, Lordship, I know the procedure. Highly obliged.
May I please, your Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 38, my lord. In this case, probably CD is not received, my lord. So 38,
From
38,
which police station?
of this school, my lord. Next one, my lord, interim is there, my lord.
When the case that was called for? That's it.
Lordship.
Wait for a few minutes. We'll pass order. Mr. Council, wait for a few minutes.
May I
Yes,
please,
Lord
Lord?
Black.
Lord, I beg to mention for listing of my lord, bail hearing, my lord. It was last listed on 4/11, my lord. Bail
What was
hearing,
the-
my lord, it was ordered, my lord. This matter after 2 weeks, my lord. 2 weeks has been completed, my lord. Day after tomorrow, my lord.
21st.
Oh, like, Lordship, I beg to mention item number 32, your Lordship. CD was called for. It was not received, your Lordship.
Which police station?
Dispur police station, your Lord.
When the last order was passed?
6/11, your Lordship.
When the CD was called for?
CD was called for 6/11, your Lord.
CD was called for on Lordship 6/11.
25th, next Monday.
Lordship.
25th, Lordship.
Much obliged, your Lord.
36, right?
32, your Lordship.
Okay.
May I please, your Lordship? I beg to mention item 49. As the conducting counsel, Mr. Kibura is currently out of station. Kindly the matter may be taken up next week.
CD is there, Lordship.
Just office not to PS. Just a few minutes. Yes.
May I please, your Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 50, Lordship, 50. The charge sheet has been laid, Lordship.
Wait for a few minutes. We'll pass the order. 49 to some. Here in last occasion, we wanted to know from the Laluk police station regarding service of notice on the informant. It's a POCTO matter.
Lordship, which matter?
49.
Item number 30.
49.
49.
49. Yes, Lordship. That's from Lalu.
Copy was received only on 6/11.
Lordship, we have
So-
sent our intimation also, so can it be after some time, Lordship? Take the instruction.
Anyways, he's asking for adjournment.
Okay, Lord.
27th.
27, Lordship.
Highly obliged.
With the information of the
Respondent.
officer in
number two.
search.
Yes, Lord. 31.
Good, good.
Thirty-eight, Lordship, charge sheet has been laid. Lordship.
We appeared, vanished. J. Ali, for the petition. In the revision, the matter of the term, Prime Minister, I reckon. Police submitted charge. In this two, police station, case number 257/2024. White church on. Yes, what is the CS number?
Lordship, White CS number 309, dated 30/05/2024.
30/05.
Lordship.
Impute. Twenty-fifth. Interim bill granted to the petitioner and notice of consent. Input it, police case number 30. By order dated 9/4/2015. Indicated in the application. Right from the procedure.
Here also, Lordship, charge sheet has been laid.
Heard Mr. B. Chaudhary, counsel for the petition. Yes, yes, number
White CS number 155 public 2020.
125,
155, Lordship.
55.
55 public 2024 dated 31/10/2024.
I was an interim lordship.
Look, you put it. 213 of it. Puro, yeah, I got this before. Corresponding to the number 808 of it. Interim bill complete. 130920. 27. About the year number 1680202. About the
DP of life.
monthly.
Item number 1.
Yes.
Heard Mr. Restaurant counsel for the petitioner and MS. On instruction of the petitioner, Mohidul Islam. Was arrested on 02/10/2024 by the Special Task Force in Polton Bazaar Police Station, case number 339/2024 under section 22 within bracket B. NDPS. Mr. Rana, our counsel is not pressing this bill application. To which has a no objection according to the
Wait, please, your lordship. Lordship, this is in regular bail application, lordship. 48 days in jail custody, lordship. Young boy and girl in love, lordship. There was a dispute, lordship.
Take steps
Box
today.
6,
Take
Lordship.
step today.
It's from Nalbari, Mukalmo.
Mukalmuala.
On 28, Lordship.
On 28. Steps during the course of the day on the public prosecutor to the register.
Highly obliged, lordship. Wait, please, your lordship. In this case also, lordship. Regular bail application, lordship. We are, lordship, 29 days, lordship. Nothing has been recovered from this petitioner, lordship. Even then, lordship.
Okay, from Laluk.
Laluk,
It is status
Lordship.
report.
27.
It's not the case.
Highly obliged.
482
Yes,
application,
Mr.
Milord.
Sharma.
Page 13, Milord. CD may be called for, Milord.
It's from Dhubri, Lordship. On 28.
Okay, on 28.
How like it?
Sister PS, Lordship.
May I please your lordship, Milord, 483 application, Milord. FIR is at page 11, Milord. Kindly. The allegation is that we are driver and handyman, Milord. We travel with the cattle, Milord, on hiring. And the police on suspicion arrested us and taken into custody.
25th, Lordship.
Milord, may I pray little possible?
Monday next.
Guwahati, Milord, both.
Next one.
Monday next.
Okay. Milord, item 8 also same, Milord. Item 8,
Same police station.
same police station. Same affair.
Along with.
No, same police station is not different police station.
No, same thing. Item 8.
Yes, Lordship.
No,
Sorry,
no.
Lordship.
Yes, madam. Same. Developed like that.
Item 8.
Yes, Lordship. Then it's same PS.
Along with 5. Number 2.
May it please, Lord. May kindly call for LCR, Lord.
Pending before special judge NDPS Kabiyan.
Part of interest. Petitioner was taken into custody. Petitioner is substituted in delay police station case number 38/2023 corresponding to DR number 249/2023. Taken into custody on 12/08/2023. मिला लो बाबा can legible copy of NDPS case number 5/2024. Writing of the boy play according to from report of learned special judge NDPS from session judge Carbiano list on
312.
Yeah, may it please, Lord. May kindly call for LCR also.
Sir, 6 submitted Lordship. LCR may be called.
Horizon police station case number sorry, Horizon delay police station case number 47/2023. The section of right. Arrested on 23/07. NDPS case number 4/2023 arising out of corresponding to DR 237/2023. Go to China. Same date. Eligible scan copy. Special because NDPS card. On 3rd December itself.
Third.
May I please, Lord? 483 BNS, my lord. FI is page number 8, my lord. Page number 8, my lord. FI. May I read, my lord?
Just a minute. This matter should have been case diary might be available
Lordship.
because we have considered in earlier 2 occasions, 3 occasions.
Lordship.
Find out if it is available, we'll have it at
Lordship.
2 o'clock.
Lordship. We'll take the instruction.
Same case diary, Patasiram.
Bas.
Asan Negi Sano.
May Lordship. Lordship may kindly see complaint at page 11. Relevant page starts as page 16, Lordship. My lord, before filing this complaint, Lordship, petitioner number 1, who filed a case under Domestic Violence Act, Lordship, in that case, ex parte order was passed in favor of the petitioner number 1. In this case, 5 petitioners are there, Lordship. Against in favor of petition number 1, a ex parte order was passed. awarding 4,000 per month and 20,000 as compensation. The son of the complainant only once on the day of filing WS he appeared. Before or after he did not appear. He also did not pay the maintenance, hence he filed execution petition, Lordship. Notice was issued, he did not appear. Thereafter, the petitioner number 1 again filed a petition under section 125 CRPC seeking maintenance. In that case also, the son of the complainant did not appear. The petitioners decided ex parte and award was given to the petitioner number 1. Lordship, all documents are annexed here. Lordship may kindly see the ex parte order passed in DB page 32.
Yes, that we have seen.
Lordship. And the execution petition page 34. And Lordship, ex parte order passed in 125 petition, that is at page 39. To avoid maintenance, payment of maintenance, the son of the complainant is absconding somewhere. To our knowledge, he is in Delhi. Now, Lordship, after filing this complaint, notice is issued under section 335(3), Lordship, page 47.
Yes, ma'am.
Lordship, it's from Bongaigaon PS.
Lordship, we may be protected, Lordship. Whole family is here, Lordship. We will
Please come to
appear.
page number 12. Page
Lordship,
number 12.
yes.
Para number 12.
Yes, Lordship.
Read that para 12 for yourself.
Lordship. May I read,
Read it for yourself.
Lordship. Lordship.
Tell us.
Lordship, to that regard. So we need the case diary, Lordship, because everything will be revealed from the case diary itself.
Instead of filing complaint, the complainant should have approached the SP, Lordship. That is not done, Lordship.
You know in that regard what to do. Right?
Lordship, for the moment, we
Because there
maybe-
is nothing, any information where about the complaint is on, Lordship. So everything will be revealed from the case diary itself. It's from Bongaigaon, Lordship.
notice is before our Lordship, we may be protected. Whole family is here, Lordship, before our Lordship. We will appear, definitely we will appear before the IO and will cooperate with the investigation. We will help in finding out the complainant son also, because we have information that he is residing in Delhi, only to avoid the award of maintenance provided in DB case and 125 petition, Lordship.
Otherwise, complaint has been lost subsequently, Lordship.
Oh my God. Appear before I will. On or before 22nd. Condition detail. 35,000 each.
Expert order
Local.
2906.
Case diary. On 4th of December,
Lordship,
case diary after recording the statements of the
Lordship.
applicants.
Obliged lordship.
Introduce any. Introduce any.
After recording the statement.
Introduce any. Court, no?
Yes, Mr. Roy.
My lord, in this case, my name is not there, my lord, but the police is issued a notice. Now, first, the FIR is lordship may say page 23, my lord. This is against my lord Tulsi Shaha, my lord, who is the main accused. He had taken money from the public and he disappeared, my lord. Then there was an inquiry report, my lord. Lordship may see that inquiry report at page 29, my lord. This is against Tulsi Shah and his brother, my lord. I'll place it, my lord. Page 29 is the inquiry report, my lord. So police has been asked to register a case as per the inquiry report. This has been given by the Chief Circle Inspector of Police to the Additional Superintendent of Police. Then another FIR was lodged by another person, my lord, on 29th May. First FIR was lodged, my lord, on 29th November 2022. Then, my lord, 29th May 2003, second FIR, that is page 31. Lordship may see the FIR is against, my lord, which is at page 35, my lord, Pranab Kumar Shaha and Tulsi Shaha, my lord. Name and address of the accused person, they are the main person, my lord. I'm not there anywhere, my lord. Page 31, my lord, second FIR, and page 35, the name of the accused person, Pranab Kumar Shaha, Tulsi Shaha, my lord. Then Tulsi Shah got arrested, my lord, page 36. His arrest forwarding report. Tulsi Shah got arrested, my lord, page 37. This Tulsi Shah, aged about 49 years, my lord. Then page 42 is the notice to me, my lord. Actually, I have done some business earlier, my lord, with him, my lord.
Yes, ma'am, from the Dhubri when?
Lordship, it's from Agavani Dhubri, Lordship. It's on 28th, Lordship.
I've enclosed the agreement also, my lord, by which I have done business with him, but that was subsequently got cancelled, my lord.
Get it on 25th.
Lordship, we'll try.
We are not passing interim at this stage.
Lordship,
Get it on 25th, thereafter we'll pass the order.
Lordship.
Get it on 25th.
May please the lordship. My lord, it's a second bail application, my lord. Earlier, my lord, this whole court has rejected by order dated 21/10/2024, annexer at page 19.
And it's a
Lordship has recorded everything, my lord. They have taken a contradictory stand on the age, my lord. In the FIR, it claimed that age is 17. My lord, paragraph 12 of this order, my lord, is very clear, my lord. My lord, as per the medical, my lord, X-ray report, her age is 19 to 21 years. As per FIR, her age is 17 years. And police has also collected birth certificate dated 3/5/2023, which goes to show that her date of birth is 14/11.
The case there will be available, it should not.
My lord.
If they are available, then we'll take it up at 2. If it's
My
not
lord,
available, we'll give a date.
My lord, my prayer is that had there been an admit card, my lord, she is a higher secondary student. That may be collected, my lord. Deep level.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, FIR is at page 7, lordship. This is the type copy from English. May I read, lordship?
Just a minute.
The undersigned beg to state that on so I have been molested by 3 guys. Amandeep Singh, he is the petitioner, lordship. Raman Singh, Moidul Islam at my guest house where I was attending my friend's birthday party. They physically hurt me and attempt to kill me. I somehow survived because of my friends who saved me for my friends. They are molested me and tried to rape me. And they also beat me with iron rods from eye bleeding. Due to the attack with iron rods, and these guys tried to rape me. They are tried to kill me and tried to rape me. They are from Nogaloshi.
Okay,
My
get
lord,
the information. This for,
Dispute lordship on 26th.
okay.
My lord, co-accused has already been granted bail, lordship, that is case lordship at 12,
Page,
12, 2 lordship. And in the interim lordship, is the Modi lordship, third accused. And case has been fixed for bail hearing on 28/11, lordship.
Let the matter come on 28/11.
And a similar
okay, on
protection remedy.
28/11. Along with AB,
He is also a lordship.
On 28/11.
28702024. Yes,
Plus some protection lordship, the similar protection.
Might not be the same.
not at this stage.
May I please, your lordship? In fact, your lordship, here, your lordship, the allegation is that, your lordship, I took some money from him, your lordship, to do business, your lordship, and ultimately I did not return the money to him, your lordship. And it has gone to the extent saying that I have also took his credit card and used it and not returning it, your lordship. A notice under section 41A has been issued, your lordship. And I will be appearing tomorrow, your lordship. In fact, your lordship, one document I could not annex, your lordship. Client has handed me over, your lordship, where he has, your lordship, admitted my client, your lordship. Some dealing is there, your lordship. I admit that, your lordship. Not to the tune of that, your lordship. And in fact, I admitted due to the tune of 3,0350 euros. And I have informed him through my counsel that I will be handing it over to you, this admitted amount, ready to pay you. And I have details of the amount paid by him, your lordship. To Google Pay, he has made payment, your lordship. Your lordship, may kindly see that document, your lordship, which I could not annex, your lordship. Today morning, it is handed over to me, your lordship. This is by
Yes, ma'am.
Lordship, otherwise,
Fund
till
Bazar,
date, lordship, 17,80,200.
Fund Bazar, Fund Bazar.
From Panbajar, lordship, can be on 26th,
FIR was of 19th August.
lordship.
26th. lordship.
I will be appearing tomorrow, your lordship.
This week. 21st, 22nd. Fund Bazar on.
22nd, lordship.
Till then, some protection, your lordship. Your lordship can
Noted.
kindly see, your lordship, that
We'll consider as.
your
the-
lordship, I have admitted
Mr.
that
Bot-
3 lakhs thousand,
Fine.
I am,
We'll consider it on.
but your lordship,
early.
tomorrow I am to appear, your lordship. 41A notice has been issued. The purpose of 41A is, your lordship, is that, your lordship, is
We'll consider on 22nd.
obliged.
How many witnesses have been examined, Mr. Sharma?
Two, Lordship. Two examined. PW1 was examined on 18/7/24 and PW2 was examined on 12/8/24, Lordship. And DNA report has also been received, Lordship.
DNA report is there.
Yes, Lordship. That is 25/7/24. I have flag mark, Lordship. It's positive, Lordship.
You want to say something?
Yes, Lordship. In this case, Your Lordship, the DNA test may be positive, found, Your Lordship, but the petitioner under incarceration about 405 days, Your Lordship, and result already be before Your Lordship. This is positive result. Now, Your Lordship, there is no chance to hamper or temper the evidence, and I would like to rely on one order, Your Lordship. First page, Your Lordship. First page, head note, Your Lordship. Here, head note, Your Lordship. Ordinarily, when a merit, ordinarily, when a person is accused of more than one offense, the sentence of imprisonment imposed are directed to run concurrently, but assuming the sentence of imprisonment of consecutive, the under trial prisoner there have suffered incarceration for the maximum period for which they could not be sent to jail on conviction for multiple offense. There is absolutely no reason why the under trial be allowed to continue of determination will be violation not only for human dignity but also of their fundamental right under Article 21 of the Constitution. Now, Your Lordship, the positive result of DNA would be make a strong case of the prosecution, Your Lordship, but the court may be thought that whether it will be factor of determination of bail or not, Your Lordship. Now, Your Lordship, for number one, severity of the offense, Your Lordship, and number two, criminal history of the accused person in earlier occasion, Your Lordship, whether he has earlier offense committed or not, he has a sentence against any non-bailable offense or not, Your Lordship. And thirdly, Your Lordship, tampering with the evidence. If the accused is likely to tamper with the evidence or influence witnesses, the court may be consider the bail, Your Lordship. And number 4, your lordship, the public interest, your lordship, because petitioner have already wife and minor children also. So I have stated in my petition. And Bhagavat Singh versus Estate of Gujarat, I have not bring with this judgment also, your lordship. Today I just had the DNA test is positive. So otherwise I would be bring. So on that ground, your lordship, I leave it your lordship whether it will be considerable or not. For the interest of justice, may look at the matter for. And already the victim now becomes 16 years, and he already newborn child already born, your lordship, but your lordship. So on such ground, your lordship, I pray to consider the petitioner in on bail, because yeah, it will be under trial. So trial court will be, if positive result, then absolutely the strong against the accused petitioner. But during the uh, complete of the trial court case, your lordship, petitioner, if will under bar, behind the bar, it will be irreparable loss, your lordship, because petitioner wife has 2 minor children. He has suffering because petitioner is the only earning member of his family. Your lordship, kindly look matter for the interest of us. And one more judgment also there, your lordship. There is no hamper or temper of the evidence, because already success has been submitted. Subsequent success already submitted, your lordship. Lordship, in this order, your lordship, first, if your lordship will find below down, your lordship, find out finding of the court, your lordship. May I read?
Yes, please.
The court found that the petitioner, who had been in custody for a year, was not in a position to tamper with the evidence or free from justice. Considering the fact of the case, the court exercised judicial discretion in favor of the petitioner and grant bail, imposing certain condition. Your lordship, condition is at best 3, your lordship. Down below, your lordship. The first condition, the petitioner will appear before the learned trial court / police authorities as and when required. Number 2, that the petitioner will not leave NDA without prior permission of the court. Number 3, that the petitioner will not directly or indirectly make any inducement, threat, or promise to any person adequate with the fact of the case, so as the dissuade him her from disclosing suspect of the investigation officer or court. And certain condition imposed by the court and allow the petitioner go on bail, your lordship. So in this case, already 405 days already over. So there is no chance emperor temper of the evidence, your lordship.
Heard Mr. S.I. Akan, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. And Mr. B. Shoman, additional public prosecutor. For the opposite party number 1 state. Also heard M.S.B. Devi Sharma, learned amicus curiae, legal aid counsel, appearing for the informant as well as the victim, minor victim, opposite party numbers 2 and 3. It is continued on behalf of the petitioner that he was arrested on 09/10/2023 in Tezpur Police Station, case number 832/2023 under section 376 PC read with section 4 of the PSC Act. And in custody for more than 405 days since death to pride. It is also stated by the petitioner, on behalf of the petitioner, that in the meanwhile, the charge sheet has been filed in the case. Charge under section such and such have been framed against him. And the victim statement under section 164 CPC, as well as her evidence has already been recorded. He should be considered for bail in the special POCSO case number 179/2023, arising out of said Tezpur PS case number 832/2023. এই আগত যে তেজপুৰ PS কেছ লিখিছে তাৰ লগত লিখা corresponding to TR number 1720. As for the FIR dated 8/10/2023, the case lodged by informant father of the victim, opposite number 2, is that his minor daughter is at about 14 years, studying in class 6. While suffering from stomach ache, was taken to Tezpur for her examination, for her medical examination. Full stop. During such medical examination, his minor daughter was found to be pregnant of 7 months. While inquiring, his minor daughter revealed that it is the petitioner who committed rape on her. Repeated.
All are go by hand for crime. Now that the DCP is also present, Malad, he said that now onwards, all the signals will go through his office, Malad. Now they are taking some measures, taking, Malad. Now in that particular case also, it was sent through runner.
After getting in time lawsuits created before the IO, and statement has been recorded by the present IO lawsuit.
Owner of the vehicle, no? You owner of the vehicle.
Heard Mr. T. Superior Counsel appearing to the petition. And Mr. K. Procedural and additional proceeding. Appearing. The petitioner, namely Zainal Ali, filed this anticipatory bail application under section 430 HCFS. Seeking his prayer as bail in Vasishtha PS case number 714 of 2023. Under section 217 and IPC, read section 13, bracket 1, bracket 16 of the Assam State Reservation bracket Amendment Act. Read section 11, bracket 1, in bracket small t of prevention of cruelty to animals. Report. While granting interim bail to the petitioner, namely on 20/05/2024, called for the case there. Was already noted earlier. Call for the case there, fixing the matter. After 3 weeks. The matter was subsequently listed on 11/06/2022, 19/07/24, 09/08/2024, 03/09/2024, 18/09/2024, and on 05/11/2024. On those dates, the additional public prosecutor could not place the relevant case there relating to Petitioner PS case number 714 of 2022, and the interim bail granted to the petitioner on 20/05/2024 in said Petitioner PS case was extended from time to time. On 05/11/2024, while the court extended the interim bail of the petitioner Petitioner PS case, fixed the matter on 08/11/2024, directing personal appearance of the concerned investigating officer. On 08/11/2024, the investigating officer of Petitioner PS case number Bhaskar Jyoti Das, Sub Inspector of Police of Jorabat Police Outpost under Vasishtha Police Station, was present. The said Sub Inspector of Jorabat Police Outpost, through Mr. Parasar, additional public prosecutor, submitted before the court that accepting once the officer in charge of Vasishtha Police Station did not send any information and oblique or signal for submission of the case diary before the court. And as soon as he received such information, he appeared before the court along with the case. As such, on 08/11/2024, the court directed personal appearance of both the officer in charge of Procedural police station as well as the investigating officer of say Procedural PS case number 7 by in charge of Jorabat police. Today, both the officer in charge of Procedural police station, namely Devananda Das, as well as the investigating officer of Procedural in charge of Jorabat outpost, Mr. Parasar, on behalf of both the police personnel present before the court, submit that the officer in charge of Procedural police station sent the information to the Jorabat outpost through the dark runner on numbers of occasions. However, there is nothing on record to place before the court regarding the same. The officer in charge of our Procedural police station submitted before the court that henceforth there will be no such delay on their part. Forty-five.
In this case, 45 malat charge sheet submitted.
When
Charge sheet submitted on malat 30th of August 24.
thirtieth of August,
এই দুটা মই ৰিপ্লাই দিছোঁ এই দুটা ৰিপ্লাই এইটো কোৱা নাছিলে এইটো মই ৰিপ্লাই দিছিলোঁ ডেটত এইটো কৈছা
30th of August,
31st of August malat charge sheet submitted. And subsequently malat on next order was of 13th/9. We have sent signal on 27/9. He has received that signal, but
এইটোত মই এইটো কোৱা নাছিলোঁ এইটোত মই ডিউটি জেগাটো মানে ল'ৰা এটা
in one occasion malat because of one suicide case, he was not in the PS malat. He has went for investigation of that case, and on 27/9 he didn't got that malat information malat. He has not received on one occasion. 27/9 malat we have sent signal, but that is not received by him. And on 7/11 he received that, but due to some urgent, because of that malat it was not sent.
now when is charge sheet is filed?
Charge sheet filed on malat 31st of August.
When is charge sheet is filed? And the alleged accused appears before the concerned investigating officer in terms of the order of the court, the strength of the 1973 bail order. That means what? The concerned investigating officer is aware that there is an order of the court. So, unless the concerned officer receives any signal, he is not supposed to send it, the information to the court.
Interim issued on my lord 15/7/24.
So,
Uh,
and when was the charge sheet was filed?
charge sheet filed on 31st of August, my lord.
So was not it was his duty to forward this intimation to the court,
Yes, my lord.
at least to the public prosecutor? Or only when the court will pass an order, then it is the duty of the investigating officer to forward that information.
My lord, yes, when the order is there, my lord, you should, my lord, communicate it at the first instance also. আপনার একজন ইন্টারিম পাইছে ইন্টারিম করার পর আমার কি রকম হইছে আপনার তেতিয়া লগে লগে আপুনি কমিউনিকেট কৰিব লাগিছিল তাততো লিখা থাকিলে অৰ্ডাৰটো ইমান তাৰিখে যদি ফিক্স আছে বেলেগ আছিলে
Mr. Parasar, kindly ask the officer in charge of Procedural Police Station. As on 18/11/2024, how many bail applications relating to Procedural Police Station is pending before the High Court?
11 পৰা এইবিলাক ইমান ইমান পেণ্ডিং আছে হাইকোৰ্টত You have to check the record, madam.
And how many cases there are interim bail?
কিমান আছে সেইটো ক'ব পাৰিব ইণ্টাৰিম বেংক কিমান আছে
Exactly. Figure power sir. Ask all the three officers to file their respective affidavit. That will be on record.
Hello.
We will not like to play with the service career of any other personnel without giving them a credit. But here is what we found, that they are not sincere to the orders. They are not complying with the orders. Let them file respective affidavits.
I understand, madam. With apology, madam.
That will have a signal to all the police officers. The concerned IOs or the concerned officers. This is one example. We know the Procedural Police Station is a very hotbed for various activities.
Hello.
Item 42. OC committee to be that in future no such mistakes will be found. And shall submit the case there is and report to the court as and when it was sought, it is sought for. At the earliest when it has been. But the officer in charge of the police station. Mr. Sapni. And the investigating officer of Procedural Police case number that. I in charge of. Shall file their respective affidavits in this matter on or before 25th and shall again personally appear before the court on 28th. You file their respective affidavits on 25th and shall appear again on 28th. Same order will follow in item number 45.
Present-
The order for election till 28th.
In 45 also by the both.
Both the IO and the is from which police station? Is the IO? What is his name?
আয়ো আপনার নাম রিকি দাস মালে
Rikita.
in item number 45.
They will reappear again on 28th. They will file their affidavit on 25th. Mati dia.
Item number 39.
In this case, अपने कौन सी रिपोर्ट पाई थी?
Yes.
In this case, yes, earlier matlab it was matlab succeeded in long back matlab in April. At the first instance, he said that it was sent to our office, matlab there is a matlab gap in our office to the earlier matlab dealing system. But subsequent to that, matlab on 3-4 occasions,
What was
matlab
the WT message number?
matlab
What was the WT message number? How it was sent to your office?
signal number is there, matlab. I/2024 365 dated 10/5/24.
It is a WT message.
WT method. It
There
was
will be
sent.
time then.
Time to put a time is not mentioned. matlab. The signal is there, but
Just like this. It will be ordered in the office file. Without the communication. That's all. Everything will be there. Everything will be there. We know how it is sent. We know how it is sent.
but matlab on in the middle, matlab subsequent to that also, matlab 3-4 occasion, matlab the IO after the succeed, matlab IO service clause, because of service clause, he is not in the PS, matlab reserve clause, and matlab there are some communication gap between the matlab
Where is the
his
search
staff
sheet?
succeeded
Where
on
is the search sheet?
123/24
Do you have a
dated
copy of the search sheet?
copy of the
What are the
source.
3 copies?
Succeed, matlab was sent to the court, matlab, but signal is there, matlab number and date is there. 123/24 dated 29/4/24.
You are probably aware, Mr. Parashar, that every police station has been directed to start with certain numbers of search sheet in every case. Every month.
Now all are in matlab in new format, matlab yes.
So they are bound to submit the search sheet by 30th or 31st, the last date of the month.
Matlab.
And what they will do, they will show the search sheet has been filed. But it will not be before the PI code.
You also notice, matlab in some cases just number has been given, but not sent to court.
You know or not, I don't know, we are aware of all those.
In this
PI
case,
code doesn't receive. That is why I am aware, because of the judgment passed by the court nowadays, that the search sheet has to be placed before the concerned session judge to be make it as thin.
since at least
That is the
until and unless it is not seen, matlab is not.
It is not acceptable. So
It is perfect. On 14/5. 10/5 matlab no matlab a report from the PI code matlab 14/5 matlab the seen matlab. Dated is 29/4/24. On 14/5.
then what was reason for failing it to information given to the court?
Matlab he stated that matlab when the running cases matlab definitely matlab the IO all signals go to through him to the concerned IO. In this particular case, IO on reserve clause, and there is some gap
from the who is dealing the signals to the concerned OC. So during his police station,
Yes.
আপনি dealing with what one and now not he is also giving assurance to the court all the corrective measures will be.
Not Mr. F. Just referring for the petition. And Mr. K. K. Parathal and it is for the particular example. Pursuant to the order of the court, the date 8/11/2024. But the officer in charge of Goripur Police Station, namely Titumuni Boishop,
Yes.
as well as the investigating officer of Goripur Police Station, case number 69/2024. Namely Habibur Rahman is present before the court. The petitioner, namely Nausad Ali, alias Nausad Ali, filed this application under section 438 CPC, taking pre-arrest bail, apprehending his arrest, taking pre-arrest bail in Goripur, PS case number 69/2024 under section 120 -B/420/384/387 IPC, related with section 7C within bracket 2 of the Assam Money Lenders Amendment Act 1968, corresponding to their case number 223/2024. The court, by order dated 26/04/2024, while granting interim bail to the petitioner Nausad Ali in Goripur PS case number 69/2024, call for the case there, fixing the matter after 3 weeks. However, on 10/06/2024, 29/07/2024, 22/08/2024, 09/09/2024, 26/09/2024, 29/10/2024. The relevant case there was not placed before the court and the interim bail granted to the petitioner earlier on such extended. On 29/10/2024, the court passed an order directing personal appearance of the concerned investigating officer of the Goripur PS case number, fixing the matter on 8/11. On 8/11, the concerned investigating officer of Goripur PS case number, Mr. Habibur Rahman, Sub-Inspector of Police, personally present. And on the said date, for the first time, it was placed before the court that search sheet in said Goripur PS case number such and such was submitted way back on 29/04/2024. It is also placed before the court, the 29th, as the concerned investigating officer of said Goripur PS case number such and such, as well as the officer in charge of Goripur Police Station. On being inquired, the Deputy Commissioner of Police East was present on that day before the court pursuant in order of report in a different proceeding. Submitted that signals are sent to the officer in charge of concerned police station for the relevant case.
I'm sorry, Malad, this is not under is Malad, in that case.
No, system we ask for,
Malad.
and that is applicable for all the police stations of the state of Assam. Finding that the intimation was given to the officer in charge of Goripur police station for the relevant case diary of Goripur PS case number 69/2024. And in spite of such orders of the court, it was placed before the court on time. The court by order dated 08/11/2024 directed personal appearance of the officer in charge of Goripur police station, as well as also that of the investigating officer of Goripur PS case. During the deliberation of the matter, Mr. Parashar, on instruction from the officer in charge of Goripur police station, as well as the investigating officer, submitted that after filing of the search sheet in the case on 29/04/2024, the investigating officer of said Goripur PS case number such and such was reserved closed. As such, the said investigating officer did not receive any information pertaining to the relevant case diary. The officer in charge of Goripur police station present before the court on instruction on submitted to Mr. Parasal and edition that earlier an indication was sent to the office of the public prosecutor, Guwahati High Court, regarding filing of the search sheet in said Goripur case number 69/2024, submitted on 29/04/2024, with the endorsement seen by the learned session judge Palpara, right?
Malad, yes.
On which
Dhubri on Malad 14/5/24.
however, due to some inadvertence, the office of the public prosecutor Assam, Guwahati High Court, could not place it before the court on that date. But Mr. Titumani Boitso, officer in charge of Goripur police station, as well as Mr. Habibur Rahman, sub-inspector of police, concerned investigating of present before the court submitted. That henceforth, they will comply with the correct court. Considering their such submission, the further personal appearance of OT officer present dispensed. As search it and say such and such already submitted 29/04/2024 as noted above. The petitioner, namely such and such, is directed to appear before the appropriate.
Madam, that order has already been passed.
It's passed.
Yes. Earlier, madam,
On 29/10,
perhaps.
whether he appeared or not.
Yes, he agreed.
On 29/10 itself, there is an order. for his extended 80 left. This period as well application was kept alive only 40% of right according to the above observation and direct this creates clarification. So, Mr. Parasar informed them that henceforth it doesn't happen. It is on record, mind that.
Highly object.
42.
Here also Lordship, the IO is present before your Lordship, with the information that charge sheet has been submitted, Lordship. And Lordship, there was, he admits his lapse, Lordship, he offers his unconditional apology, Lordship.
Mr. Sharma, what to do?
Lordship, he has admitted his fault, Lordship. There was a lapse on his part, Lordship, in communicating, Lordship. Otherwise, the case has been charged, Lordship. He has also assured your Lordship that he will not repeat the same again, Lordship. First time, Lordship, he has done that, Lordship, where it was charged on 38/24, Lordship. Would you?
May please not check.
Apology.
Yes.
Lordship, in this case, I have a submission to make. In this case, I have been categorically victimized. The complainant in this case is the police themselves. And Lordship, that was the reason they have not sent it.
It's not the case, Lordship.
The allegation against. I was an innocent bystander of the incident. I was just standing there, and they have unnecessarily made me a party in this case, Lordship.
Otherwise, Lordship, this is from Lakhimpur, Lordship, and if I may say so, Lordship, there are no other instances of such events, Lordship, from Lakhimpur.
Heard Mr. Jibrokar, Council hearing for the petition. You are Mr. Borgari?
Dr. P.P. Mehdi, Lordship.
Lordship, I take your apology, Lordship. This is I accept my fault. There was some kind of communication error, Lordship, and I assure that I will never do such kind of mistake again, Lordship. I take your apology, Lordship.
For the petition. And Mr. P. Sharma, learned also about the process. Pursuant to the order dated 11/11/2024, the investigating officer of North Lakhimpur Police Station, case number 114/2024, namely Sumanto Kakoti, Sub Inspector of Police, personally present for the petitioner, namely Raju Das,
070
filed its application the section 438 chapters for his pre-arrest bail, apprehending his arrest in North Lakhimpur Police Station, case number 114 of the 2024, section 147 of the 333 of the 353 IPC, reduced section 3 of the Prevention of Damages to the Public Property Act. The court, by order, 2805-2024 call for the relevant case diary fixing the matter on 11/06. On 11/06/2024, on the prayer, the court granted, court fixed the matter again on 19/06/2024, granting time to the concerned IO for the relevant case diary. Similarly, on 19/06/2024, 27/06/2024, 29/07/2024, 05/09/2024, 20/09/2024, 28/10/2024, and 11/11/2024. Court granted time to the concerned investigating officer of the not of improprious case number such and such for the relevant case there. Today, when the matter was taken up for consideration, Mr. Sharma, learned additional public prosecutor, on instruction submitted that in said not Lakhimpur PS case number 114/2024, charge sheet was already filed on
38/24.
30.
Yes, 30/08/24. Charge sheet number 156/24. 156.
on such and such by charge sheet number 156/2024. This clearly indicates of non-compliance of the orders of the court by the concerned investigating officer, and thereby obstructing the adjudication of this pre-arrest bail application. On being inquired, the concerned investigating officer of the submitted before the court that in future he will not commit such kind of mistake which was inadvertent and shall comply with the orders of the court diligently at the earliest. Gave assurance to the court that considering the such submission, the personal appearance of Mr. Investigating officer is responsible, expecting that in future will comply with all the terms and conditions specified. For that. Starts it in state of compute conflict of PS case number 114 submitted on 30/08/2024. The petitioner may approach the appropriate forum for it. Ask him not to commit. Mr. Sharma is a provisioner.
Lordship.
He's a provisioner, and that's why I ask him not to commit with Mr. K.
Yes, sir.
I'm obliged, Lordship.
Automatic. 44 Lordship, yes, he has appeared, Lordship. This is a peculiar case, Lordship. Here, what has happened, as per his instruction, Lordship, he has submitted the case diary before the court of the district judge, Lordship, on 23/9/24. Since then, Lordship, he has not been able to locate the file as per his instruction, Lordship.
Microphone. Is it on?
Yes, it's on, Lordship.
Yes. Be little louder.
Yes.
কিবা এখন ফেনখন অফ কৰি দিলে কিবা এটা শব্দ হৈ আছে আপোনাৰ।
Dear Lordship, this is a peculiar circumstances, Lordship. He has submitted that he has submitted the CD of this case before the court of the district judge on 23/9/24. Thereafter, Lordship, he has not been able to locate the file, Lordship. And he is now seeking at least 2 weeks time to locate the file, Lordship. Because he has to locate the file, Lordship. The CD is not with him, Lordship.
Why it is submitted before the district judge?
এইখন এতিয়া আগৰ এখন বিচাৰি লওঁ মুঠতে কোৰ্টত দিছিলোঁ আৰু
He has not been able to clarify, Lordship, but he is submitting that it was submitted before the district judge, Lordship.
What for? There has to be some indication, something it was called for or what?
It was called for, Lordship.
Where is that note?
That also, Lordship, he is trying to locate, Lordship. It is the difficulty, Lordship, now.
That cannot be.
এটা বিচাৰি লওঁ ভালকৈ বিচাৰিতো পোৱা নাই বিচাৰিম
Is it believable that order has been, there is an order from the court on the basis of which and doesn't have that order of the court by which it was called?
Lordship, that is the problem, Lordship. It was submitted as per his statement, Lordship, on 23/9, Lordship. So it's a long time, Lordship. So that's the only thing that is bugging me, Lordship. Otherwise, Lordship, for absolute clarification, Lordship, if Lordship grants 1 week time, Lordship, to at least him to at least find the receipt or the whereabouts of the CD, Lordship, then the picture will be clear, Lordship. At least 1 week's time may be given, Lordship.
বিচাৰি আছোঁ ফাইলবিলাক মানে বহুতখিনি বহুত বেছি পেলাতে যায় মই নিজে ফিজিকেলি কৰি দিছোঁ 70 দৌৰি দৌৰি নিজে দিছিলোঁ তাতে এবাৰ বিচাৰিলোঁ মানে নিজে বিচাৰি আপনি কিছু করতে আছেন
If I may submit, Lordship, what he is submitting is, Lordship, that on last occasion, Lordship, he had submitted the case diary personally before the court, Lordship, district court. So he is now seeking some time to at least visit the district court and inquire about the whereabouts of the CD lordship. So at least if the case is fixed on next Monday lordship, we will apprise your lordship as to the status of the CD lordship.
Sharma,
Lordship.
raised as judicial. Heard Mr. M. Mahanta counsel appearing for it. And Mr. B. Sharma undertaking for it. On failure of the part of the concerned investigating officer of Dispur Police Station case number 174 of 2024. On the last three occasions, pursuant to the order is 02072024. Last four occasions. The court by order dated 11/11/2024 directed personal appearance of the investigating officer of this said Dispur PS case number 170 of 2024 for his personal appearance before the court today. Along with the case type. Pursuant to the same, Mr. Withdrawal Pegu, UJJAL, Sub Inspector of Police, investigating officer of said Dispur personally present. And through Mr. B. Sharma, additional public prosecutor, submitted before the court that on 24/09,
Yes, 23/09/24.
he submitted the case diary of said Dispur PS case number 170 of 2024 before the court of learned district and session judges, Kamrup Metro, at Guwahati. As such, he is taking some time to produce the relevant case diary. List on 3rd of December, along with the, on the same day, the investigating officer of Dispur PS case number 170 of 2024, who is personally present before the court today, shall remain personally present again, along with the case diary of said Dispur. Till then, get to party. Petitioner, namely such and such, shall remain on interim bail and said Dispur PS case number 170 of 2024, granted to him earlier by the court on 2720. Mr. Sharma informed him That the case is fixed on 3rd of December. He shall produce the case there. And he shall personally remain present on that.
So on Friday, he can, on Friday also, Lordship, he will be able to apprise you.
It's Friday,
This Friday, Lordship.
on 22nd.
Yes, Lordship.
Ask him to be present again.
Yeah, he
Yes.
will be.
Item number 9.
Lordship,
May I please lift your Lord?
may I make one submission, Lordship? I'm sorry, Lordship, for making that submission. Lordship, in relation to the dispute PS case, Lordship, where the IO was present before Lordship, what he has submitted, Lordship, that now he has found a CD in the police station, Lordship. And he is present, Lordship. I have asked him to be present here, Lordship. So I just wanted to apprise the Lordship that CD is available in the police station, Lordship. It can be produced tomorrow also, Lordship, if what we require,
We're not passing order at now.
Lordship. No, Lordship, I just wanted to apprise you, Lordship. That's why, Lordship, I'm asking.
May I please lift your Lord? Lordship, I have mentioned at 10:30, Lordship, and your Lordship has asked me to mention at 2 p.m. Lordship in presence of Manar Salwe, Lordship, but he is not present, Lordship. But my limited pay are only for listing, Lordship, on 20, Lordship. Deeply, Lord.
Item number 9, Lordship, we have inquired, CD is available.
What is this matter? On 20,
CD be retained, Lordship.
along with the case.
May I please your lord? My lord, this is Hujai PS case number 329, my lord. My lord, registered under section 61 to 191 to 191 3, 132, 195 and 296 BNS, my lord. My lord, all the sections are available except section 132, my lord. Allegation in 132 is that, my lord, there was, my lord, two groups, my lord. My lord, as per the FIR is filed by the police, my lord. There are two groups. There were some hot arguments, some my lord, there was no fight at all, my lord. Some altercation took place at night, my lord. There were people gathered, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, the local people, distinguished persons has, my lord, settled the matter there and therein. Police was called over telephone again and again, but they reached very late, my lord. But after reaching there, they found none. Thereafter, they picked up some of the persons from their house. And, my lord, they arrested them, accused number 1, 2, 3, and 4, my lord. They were arrested, my lord. The matter is settled, and police is saying that they are harassed, they are disturbed in their duties, my lord. Only this is my allegation, my lord, that we have disturbed. The police arrested, my lord, 4 persons, 2 from each side. And the FIR is against both the sides, my lord. And now all the 4 are released on bail by the learned additional CJM, my lord, Hujai, my lord. After seeing the CD, my lord, Procedural CD, there is nothing, my lord, to that effect, my lord. Kindly have a look, my lord. My FIR is page 12, my lord. The matter is also, my lord, compromised, my lord. My lord, this is, my lord, the bail granted by the learned additional CJM to the arrested 4 accused, 2 from each side, my lord. This is perhaps done only to settle down the matter, my lord, to calm down perhaps, my lord. Only 132 section is non-bailable, my lord. In 2 years, my lord, it is up to 2 years, my lord, imprisonment, my lord.
Ms. Bora, can you have a status report?
Lordship,
Whether their personal interrogation is required or not?
Lordship,
So that much on
Lordship.
Monday?
Monday,
Monday?
Lordship, next Monday.
My lord, maybe interim, my lord. in the meantime.
No,
Monday will pass the final order.
on 25th, Lordship.
Monday, my lord. Not Monday, no? Obliged.
We have the case diary here
Lordship,
because the next item, earlier we have discussed
13
upon.
years, Lordship, we have the case diary.
No representation on the petition. Let's the next. Next,
Lordship fixes date
next week.
next week. Lordship, in item number 13, CDB retake.
Oh, yes, you will.
Obliged.
May please, your lordship. At 10:30, I have made a prayer before this honorable court that during last 3 days, another 6 number of accused in connection with this case has been arrested, my lord. And out of those 6, 1 is the family member of accused Rafiqul, another 5 is the co-villagers. And present petitioners is also co-villagers of this accused number 2, my lord. And against all these accused, my lord, investigating authority raised almost similar type of allegation. And hence I have paid before this honorable court, my lord, forwarding report as well as arrest memo of those arrested accused may be called for.
Lordship, my submission will be, Lordship, based on the materials available in the case diary, the case can be disposed of, Lordship, because his involvement is there, Lordship. Yes.
We'll look into it.
Yes, but
Oh, that lady could not be recovered.
yes, Lordship. Yes.
Got it.
In the FIR, there is clear allegation against the 2 FIR name accused. And present petitioner number 1 is the co-villagers, not related to the accused number 1 and 2. And from that aspects, my lord, other accused persons also,
But Mr. AK as a counsel appearing for the petition.
my lord, present petitioner number 1 is on interim, my lord. He is appeared before the IO and recorded his statement and cooperated with the investigation, my lord. Any date, my lord.
Additional public prosecutor.
Already appeared before the IO.
Counsel for the petitioner submit. That. There is no allegation against the petitioner. In the FIR.
Whatever allegation raised by the investigating authority, my lord, that is not true, my lord.
And that on obtaining interim bail on 4/11/2024, he appeared before the concerned investigating officer of the case and is cooperating with the investigation. Okay, we'll pass the order.
My lord.
We'll return the case there. We'll pass the order.
Lordship.
My lord, one line simple submission, my lord. In respect of petitioner number 2, my lord, he was noticed by the investigating authority under section 35 clause 3, my lord. On that notice, police also stated that he will not arrest by the IO. So in this, in respect of petitioner number 2, my lord, that is my submission. Otherwise, 1, he is appeared before the IO already, cooperating with the investigation, my lord. On any condition, my lord, maybe consider my bill clear. I will appear before the IO.
Petitioner submit. That.
And notice I have annexed that notice with my petition, my lord. Page 16, my lord, that notice.
Cooperate with the investigation of that. Then only apprehending is that it's on receipt of this under section 35 PNSS.
Now the petitioner number 1, my lord, 18 years old man, my lord. Sorry, 18, no, 80 years.
Like it was petition number 180 years. Okay, we pass the order.
Any condition, my lord. Most obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship. My lord, I was asked to convey the honorable court whether notice served or not. But I am behind the bar since last 109 days. And though the affair has alleged many things, but medical reports, Lordship, we have annexed, page 16 onwards. Those reports say nothing. From 16 onward, kindly see the medical reports. Urine pregnancy test negative. Then Lordship would say, then page 18, no supermatrix seen. Then, my lord, page 20, serial number 1, bottom, back, left side, specimen is negative for HIV, etc. Then Lordship could kindly say, age is written as 20 to 25 years. Page 21. And in 23, my lord, no injury, no human, no injury in private parts. So everything is negative.
So we'll have to wait for another 2-3 years so that thing may become major, Lordship. The complaint is daughter, Lordship, that is a victim disagreed, Lordship, after this FIR, Lordship.
Without serving notice, the informant is possible to take up these POCTO matters. So let him get the information because notice was already issued.
Lordship. And CD is also available, Lordship. We send the CD, Lordship, if required.
You have not taken steps as per the office note.
You have taken steps. Lordship, we have taken steps to the complainant, Lordship. I don't have the copy with me.
Has not been taken. Has not been taken.
What is that?
What did you do?
Take steps during the course of the day.
Lordship, by tomorrow we'll take the steps, Lordship. I'll find
This is the process, you have to take steps, the notification is already there, ma'am. Take steps on the public prosecutor to the registry. The person to be ordered of the court dated 20/10/2024. Petitioner shall take steps for service of the informant response number 2. Having a copy of this application in the public prosecutor Guwahati High Court Guwahati through the registry of this court by tomorrow. List on. This has to come from which police station?
CD is already here, Lordship, Manikpur.
Regarding information has to be go to Manikpur.
From Manikpur, Bongaigaon.
Take steps during the course of the day. We'll have it
Yes,
on
Lordship.
28.
Today.
28.
Take steps
Okay.
today to the registry.
Lordship, today I have completed the statutory period of 60 days.
Yes, Mr. Sharma.
Lordship, charge sheet has not been filed, Lordship, because FFL report has not been received.
Yeah, that for the petition, that for the petition. D. Sharma. What is the recovery?
Lord, recovery is 35.3 grams of heroin, Lordship.
In spite of that, you have not filed the charge sheet.
Lordship. Intermediate quantity, Lordship.
50. To look at the condition. Plan it. Special Judge Kamrup and the Special Judge NDPS Kamrup. From Session Judge Kamrup. Amingaon. Right. Okay.
May I please, your Lordship? Lordship, item may be pass over for the day. Any day, Lordship.
Lordship, in the meantime, I will file my affidavit in
File. You have appeared.
Ms. A. Begum, I am
You
for
have
the
filed your Wakalat number.
Lordship.
What's your good name?
Ayusai.
For the petition. P. Sharma. Petition of the prosecutor. And Ms. A. Begum, right?
Lordship.
Let concept for the informant respondent number 2. Oh, yeah, opposite party number 2. List on. Twenty-seventh.
A short date may be given after 3 days or 4 days, Lordship.
Monday. 25th.
That is a lot. This is not regular bail application, my lord. And today, my lord,
Ma'am.
44 days, my lord. 44 days is behind bar, my lord. FIR page 8. FIR filed against 4 persons, my lord. I am not named in the FIR. And co-accused also approved the small court and the small court granted bail, my lord. Petitioner have been he was arrested, ground of arrest, my lord, ground number 2. 1
SIM, my lord, mentioned in the FIR belongs to one driver, and that SIM was used by, my lord, the petitioner. So he was suspected and arrested, my lord, after the incident. Already 44 days, my lord. Further custody, my lord, may not be required.
Yes, ma'am.
Lordship, otherwise, admitted, it's an admitted fact, the present petitioner along with other co-accused lordship, they helped in concealing and selling the steal property lordship. And those, some of the accused are yet to be arrested and the stolen properties are yet to be recovered lordship. And they have admitted lordship in their statement.
That person the case there.
Lordship.
One of the accused that has been arrested.
Lordship, one Azmal Ali and Safiqul Islam and Midul Ali, they are yet to be arrested, Lordship. And one Safiqul Islam, the same name, he has been also arrested, but he is not the main accused. So in the case diary, it is written as other Safiqul's name, within bracket.
That Mr. Ali, the granting bail is something different to the other accused for a different reason. Hmm. But your case is different. Arrested when 14.
Lordship, 710, man, forwarded 710.
Arrested on 610.
610 arrested, 710 forwarded. My lord, the person, my lord, released on bail, my lord, they are ground, my lord, in the, my lord, page 16, ground number 4.
You have seen that.
And my, I was arrested on the ground that SIM card was with me, my lord. One SIM card used by one driver, my lord. He has two SIM card, my lord. FIR, my lord, directly implicated 4 persons, they are driver and handyman. So, my lord, offense, my lord, 303, my lord, theft, my lord, will attract against them, and 406. And first offense, my lord, punishment up to 3 years. If you lord should consider, my lord.
Yes, what do you have to say, ma'am?
Lordship,
offense,
otherwise
3
stolen
years.
properties are yet to be recovered. And 3 main accused, Lordship.
Criminal
They're
breach of
still
trust will not applicable against
won't
this
be at
petition.
large.
Next week. Try next week. 。 . 。
Lordship.
28 তারিখ 28
On Monday, my lord.
28
Today 44 days, my lord.
when you have sent the report, that's the reason.
Okay.
Yes.
Lord, CD was again called for. It was sent back and called for again.
Reappears case, after that case there he was called for.
Lordship, Lordship, from his position, 3 numbers of laptop and 3 numbers of mobile handset has been seized. And that has been sent to Lordship to log
That's why
out.
we asked for after that case there.
Yes, Lordship, it's up to 26/9/2024, Lordship. So that report is not here.
No, that's what after we have passed an order on 5th of November.
Lordship. Yes,
Then after that case there you have.
no, Lordship. It was up to 26/9/2024.
Case there is still with you.
Lordship. Yeah, okay, Pastor. Lordship, it was given to us on 3/11, Lordship.
But the case there is last date entry.
It is last entry is Lordship 26/9, Lordship.
That is the reason we send back.
Yes,
have
Lordship,
asked
that
for the-
perhaps it was not sent back.
I spent 58 days, my lord.
Just a minute.
Up to date paper. Yes. हमें receipt को छुट्टी नहीं है।
6/11 second signal sent. It was not taken back. 5/11 I think, no? 6/11 signal.
24 order to.
We have sent our intimation on 6/11, Lordship.
Just pass on the case there.
Lordship.
Mr. Rajkumar, counsel assisted by Mr. Yamit, counsel for also heard about the Eight forty in Juria Police Station case number 301. Corresponding to clear number 3252 of the in which you are arrested on 21/09/2024 and in custody. Received on the information from the officer in charge of Juria Police Station that the petitioner from Malekadhing engulfed illegal money by committing cybercrime to his mobile phone and laptop since long and thereby collected huge money, comma, Joggaon DT entry, Joggaon Police Post DT entry number 333 of 2024, dated 20/09/2024 was and the police proceeded to the house of the petitioner to conduct a search. Accordingly, house of the petitioner was searched in presence of witnesses and recovered 3 numbers of laptops, 3 numbers of mobile. And during checking the mobile seized from the petitioner, suspicious money transactions record have been found along with the bank accounts. Moreover, some other suspicious apps APPs were also found in the mobiles of petitioner. Accordingly, petitioner was taken in custody on 21. On the basis of said FIR, Juria Police Station number 301 of registered. Where is the case there is placed before the court by Ms. Bora, which was forwarded to the London Public Prosecutor only on 3/11/2024. It is seen from the case there that The three mobiles seized from the petitioner have already been forwarded to the authority concerned of the SP office within bracket cyber cell Nagam for their data extraction. Do by order dated. The inquiry is on the 2605 2024 2609 2024. As such, the court by order dated 5/11/2024 call for the update case that fixing the matter today. But Ms. Goral on additional purpose has submitted that in spite of sending reminder up to the case that it has not been provided to the Office of the Public Prosecutor. Considering the materials in the case diary and his detention in custody since 21/09/2024, report is a review that part and parcel of the petition is uploaded for investigation of person for example. 50,000 to local condition. With inspection of the learned chief judicial magistrate. No. Judicial magistrate. Not the condition. Return the case to
Obliged. 61 days, my lord, as on date, my lord. Intermediate quality, quantity, my lord. That's it, not filed.
Default bid. Per day. Judicial. 50,000 to local check. Special judge. DPS. Dear number to liquid 5572-202. Multi condition.
CD received lordship, FSL report is pending lordship, and today's lordship.
FIR lordship page 7 lordship.
41 days lordship to my calculation lordship. He was arrested on lordship 110.
Let us know about the service of notice Pocto case. Yes, Pocto case.
Arrest on lordship 20/10/2024. 29 days lordship.
Get the information. Notice was received by your office.
Yes, lordship. 27 lordship. He has not been paid.
This is from Police Station, Manipur.
Lordship, charge sheet has been submitted. 27 charge sheet has been submitted.
When?
3110. We have the communication lordship. Charge sheet has been laid down.
What's your good name, ma'am?
Lordship.
Your good name
Mirza Akhtar.
for the petitioner. And Mr. Petitioner, petitioner namely Sachin, son of Sachin, resident of Sachin, the Manipur police department filed this application for its bail. Manipur PS case number submitted to the register under right. Corresponding to
Case number 108.
just
I'm sorry.
GR number 5802024. In which he was arrested on 2010-2024 and in custody since then. By order dated 29-10-2024. During the deliberation of the matter, Mr. P. Case number
CS number 108/24.
108.
Yes, 108. Dated 31/10/20.
In view of the approach the appropriate forum. Next. Yes, approach the appropriate forum for a regular bail.
May period. Intermediate quantity, like 24 grams of heroin out of 4 persons, 48 days in custody today, 49 days.
40,
Yes.
51. Lordship, CD has been
One,
received.
110, it is arrested on 110. like, 2020.
What is the amount that was recovered?
24 grams
24
of
grams.
heroin in 2 boxes containing 12 grams each from 4 persons. Like,
24 grams, Lordship. The FSL is still pending, Lordship. So Lordship will grant us some time, Lordship. In the meantime,
From Namru.
Lordship.
already 48 days like intermediate quantity.
Yes, Mr. Sharma, when?
Lordship. Let it be on Lordship 29.
Not on 29th. Either prior to that or one day later.
Lordship 28, Lordship.
28.
Okay, on 28.
Lordship.
May pleasure. Did you was called for?
Lordship, scan copy of LCR was called for. But as on today, Lordship, in the earlier occasion, perhaps scan copy was called for. That's why it is on record.
56 days in custody.
And
60
CD
days
not received.
mandatory period, Lordship, 60 days. Today is 56 days, Lordship.
Yes, Lordship.
Section 8 of POCSO. Ma'am, notice was issued on 8/11.
Lordship, that report, service report is awaited, Lordship.
Arrested when?
Lordship,
On 24/9,
2409.
56 days.
As on today, 56 days.
FIR is on page 10. Vernacular is 13.
Victim is 14 years old.
Find out whether search sheet has been filed or not.
Lordship. Can we fix on 22nd, Lordship?
22nd, okay, we'll have it on 22nd.
Lordship.
All right. Just let us know the report, whether notice been served or not.
Lordship.
Wait, please, your lordship. Lordship, this is a regular bail application, lordship. There are 6 petitioner, lordship. Petitioner number 6 was arrested and forwarded on 2nd/10, lordship. He is in jail custody for 47 days, and other petitioner, lordship, arrested and forwarded on 2010, lordship. They are on 28 days in jail custody, lordship. This is the lordship regarding black magic that lordship will find on page 15, lordship. Almost 27% named as an accused in the FIR that is on page 15, relevant portion on page 16, lordship. Informant father, lordship, practicing black magic, lordship, for which lordship one person was treated there, lordship, he has expired, lordship. For that, lordship, the villagers was, lordship, in lordship anger mood, lordship, they have tried to throw him out from that village, lordship. Now, the case has been wrongly projected, lordship.
Do you have the case there?
Yes, Lordship. It has been, it may be called as a mob lancing, Lordship. So he has been assaulted badly by the villagers, around 150, 200 people, Lordship. And I am also, Lordship, kindly go through the statement of the victim, the injured person, along with the eyewitness. Hmm. Nothing more. Nothing more. Nothing more. Nothing more. Nothing more.
Where is the medical report?
Lordship, medical report is not there.
Heard Mr. B. Chaudhary, counsel appearing for the petition. How many petitioners
Yes, 6 petitioners.
for the petition? Namaskar. Petitioner's name. Hmm? Wait, 1, 2, 6, okay, write it down. Oh, no. Okay. All are. Okay, come on. The file is application or the or the corresponding to GR number 752 of it. Petitioner numbers 1 to 5 were arrested on 2010 to 024. Whereas petitioner number 6 was arrested on 210 to 024. And they are in custody. From the prior of the case, it seems that apprehending on with a suspicion that father of the informant Pawan team is involved in witchcraft under whose treatment the person has already expired. Call for a local meeting on 19/9/2024. Informing public on the previous night. Loudspeak. The said meeting on 19/09/2024. The petitioners along with other people assaulted father of the informant in nature of sustained grievous hurt. And was undergoing medical treatment at not looking for medical college. There is a case there, placed before the court by something. That it seemed that in the meeting, the accused persons along with some other persons tried to assault father of the informant, alleging that he is involved in the witchcraft. But some of the other villages protected him. During such assault, father of the informant sustained a blow on his head. But as police arrived at the place of occurrence, he was rescued and sent to the hospital for treatment. During such on arrival of police, some of the accused persons also destroyed the police vehicle. Is there he reveals that section 182 BNSS statement have been recorded by Planet Subdivisional Judicial Magistrate Lakshmipur on 18/10 personal due of victim. Some of the witnesses have been recorded by the on 18/10/2024. Considering the materials indicated, the court is of the view that further custody detention of the petitioners. Considering the detention for the petitioner number 1 to 5 from 2010 and petition number 6 from 0 to 2. Like the sentence declared, however, the case diary doesn't contain the case diary, which is up to 2010, doesn't contain any medical report of the victim. Considering the bail, 35,000 each to local civil judicial magistrate, not local. The judicial magistrate. Full not local. Condition that return the case there. Yes, next.
Obliged.
So,
My 92 days, my lord. That day matter came up before your lordship. You remember, my lord?
yes, search it file or not?
Search it not that file, my lord.
Let's see. It's just KK product.
31, no?
31.
My lord, yes, file, my lord.
And
On 29/9. It was sent on the 29/9, my lord, second half, the matter came up again, taken up. It was sent on that day, but the judge has not signed it.
Yes, message. You don't have the number, I think so. You are only informed that date it was sent.
Yes, on that day, yes.
Number
It
is
was
there,
not
but
signed till today.
It was not numbered.
number is there, but subsequently it was sent. That's the mistake, yes. But today's information is not there.
Information may be taken, my lord.
My lord, after some time, just telephonically.
ওই করে না।
May I please your lordship? Lordship, the statutory period has been over in this case, my lord.
Lordship, search has been filed. Search has been filed.
When?
Okay, fine.
When? When?
Lordship, Mr. M. Halal will appear.
Charge sheet has been filed in this case.
On which date?
Lordship.
On
Dates, Lordship.
date?
13/11/2024.
When he was taken into custody?
Custody taken.
19 lordship, he was forwarded on 19/9/2024. Rape case, my lord.
When it was filed?
Lordship, I have been sent a mail, Lordship. May I read the mail, Lordship? The charge sheet dated 13/11/2024 under section so and so has been filed by IO so and so on 14/11/24 in the court of learned special judge against accused Ayush Kumar Kaushal so and so for demanding 12,000 rupees.
On 14?
On 14 it has been filed. Arrested on 19, no?
He arrested on 18, forwarded on 19.
19, so this 19 will be calculated.
Or Mr. Peters, counsel appearing for the petition. And Mr. M. Halal, understanding, special public prosecutor for the CPA. By this application under section 483 BNSS. Petitioner namely. Not rightly or son of person. Paid for his bail in CPI section space case number 61-2 BNS 2023 dated section 7 of the Prevention of Corruption Act 1988, in which he was arrested on
18.
Arrested on 18, lordship, forwarded on 19.
18/09/2024. And in custody since then. During the deliberation of the matter, Mr. Halloy, special public prosecutor for the CBI on instruction submitted that the CBI after completion of the investigation submitted the search sheet in said CBI PS case number 7 and place it before the learned special judge Assam on 14/11.
On 14/11.
In view of the petitioner may approach the appropriate forum for his regular bail in said CBI. Yes, next.
All right,
Matter for the timing, your lord.
CD not received, my lord.
So 9.
Yes. As per information, charge sheet has been filed, your lord. Kindly.
Tell us on which date its charge sheet has been filed. We'll consider. If you are aware the charge sheet has been filed, we'll close it.
Also, my senior is in Lex. He is coming, your lord.
Get the information from Sonai immediately. Ask some of your colleagues to have it.
Lordship.
Charge sheet filed.
Charge sheet has been filed on 30th already. Last.
Take rest. We'll take it next.
Variation again, number.
Yes, I have the number.
Have a seat, have a seat. 35 from Kitri.
35 also, मतलब CD not received.
So I have instruction to withdraw the matter.
What's your good name?
A. Rahman.
The 7 petitioners filed this application under section 48, sorry, to BNSS 2022 48 bail. FTPS case number 138 150 2024 registered under section 13/14 of the Assam Game and Betting Act 1960, in which they were arrested on 02/11/2024 in custody. During deliberation, Mr. A. Rahman, on instruction of the petitioner, not present the bail application.
Hello, Rest.
Okay, see, as per information, Sarsit has been filed also, I
Which
will
date?
on 30/10/2023, 24, and Sarsit number 83/2024. CS number 83/2024.
Okay.
Lordship, I have a prayer, Lordship. I may be that bail cannot be bail, or I will approach the
appropriate forum for your bail.
And number 2, number 2. Okay. Okay. And we'll consider that.
All under Zapia, all resident of village Zapia under police station. All nil 1 to 3. One, two, three, 4, village Dumoria part 1 under Police station of district of Correct. Okay. All right. What's the appropriate forum for bail? Okay.
As per petitioner. I'm sorry, Marat, in this case also, Marat, short date may be given, Marat.
We are not giving any short date. You will appear. What is this?
Yes,
from 10th of January.
Yes,
is it
Marat.
possible? Not 10th of January. The case there was called for by order dated 6/12.
My lord, earlier it was produced, my lord. Subsequently, my lord, that updated case diary was called for, along with the statement of the victim, Lord.
Marat, now,
That
Marat,
was not perfect,
yes,
sir.
call, Marat, that not yet succeeded. Sometime we could, Marat, they will put it. One last session. Take it seriously. It's for.
By order dated 27/06/2024. By order dated 30/04/2024. The court directed the concerned investigating officer of Silsar PS case number 1984/2023 to place the up-to-date case diary along with the statement of the victim and since then
victim was monitored.
by 34 and since then the 34 letter fixing the matter after 2 weeks. Full stop. Since then, on 6 occasions, time was granted to the concerned investigating officer on the prayer of the learned additional public prosecutor to place the up-to-date case diary along with the statement of the victim, extending the interim order in favor of the petitioner granted to him earlier on 10/1/2024. Even today, the up-to-date case diary of said Silsar PS case number 1984 could not be placed by the additional public prosecutor as was not made available to him and then available to the office of the public prosecutor by the concerned. Placed on 2nd December for up-to-date case diary has been called for by the court on 30/04/2024, failing which, along with the statement of the victim involved in the case, failing which the investigating officer of Silsar Police Station case number such and such has to personally remain present before this court at 10:30 a.m. Copy of this order, the officer himself, the superintendent of police Silsar, as well as the officer in charge of Silsar Police Station for the analysis.
Interim may be called.
47 but first should late. In this matter, my lord, a report was called for from the registry as to why the item was not listed, my lord. Charge sheet laid on 30th of January.
Where was the office note of the Register Judicial Guwahati High Court? The Register Judicial of this court dated 12/11/2024, submitted on the basis of the order dated 22/10/2024 and 6/11/2024. The registry is directed to make the concerned assistance of the relevant section to be more vigilant and aware in future. With regard to the present PRS bill application, relevant order has already been passed on 22/10/2024. This bill application stands closed.
Hello.
41.
Yeah, that's what yes. Because that was called for lordship. I'm an interim lordship.
That's it, committed.
When
The sheet number 462/24 dated 29/8/24.
462/24.
462/24 dated 29/8/24.
So I'm an interim lordship.
Already. On or before 27th.
Yes.
Till an interim. Petitioner having interim bill granted in state circumstances granted to him earlier on 24/5/2024.
Okay.
43 also charge sheet committed. Five 562/24 dated 309/24.
After obtaining the interim bail by the petitioner, namely Satyam Tatu, in Batista PS case number 244/2024, under section 381 of the IPC, the petitioner remained unrepresented. Last 5 occasions, i.e. on 22/07/2024, 20/08/2024, 26/09/2024, 23/10/2024, and 25/10/2024. Though name of 2 counsels have been reflected in the cause list. And interim bail granted to the petitioner have been extended till date. Today on instruction, Mr. Hasan Saksh submitted that charge sheet in the case has been filed. Case for a defense 30/09/2024. File number
562/24 dated 309/24.
shall appear before the if not appear at for a regular way on or with 27. Till then. Yes, next.
31.
We have been informed by the concerned person that search has been seen by the additional district and session judge Borpeta Lordship, because Special Judge Boxo sees on leave. That's right.
It was seen on when?
Today itself.
Today is 92 days.
It is,
When it was submitted?
it was submitted on Lordship, it was laid on 29/09/2024.
No, 13.
13.
But not submitted, it was
Not
laid on 29/09/2024.
On the way, on the way.
29/9
Seen by additional.
Additional district and session judge brought that up. Because it was, in between it was holidays, Lordship. Friday, Saturday and Sunday.
Saturday class.
Saturday.
Class. চার্জশিটটা আসছে আপনার হেরে 14 তারিখ রাস্তা আসলে
Actually, on 13th it came, my lord.
$50,000 to local sale. One of which will be government employee. Government employee. In service. Condition the rights and not hit you.
Oblige, my lord.
সময় করে নেবো এই কিমান এখানে স্পেশাল জাজ পক্স next.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, here there are two cross FIRs, lordship, and I was granted interim. I appeared, lordship,
lord,
and
yes.
no clause has been violated by me, lordship.
My lord, Jugi Gupa 112 and 113 were
Yes,
called, my lord.
112 and 112.
112 is available, my lord, and he's seeking bail in
112. My FIR was registered as 113.
Here, interim bill is there since long.
My lord, yes, that cross case is not available, 113, but here, my lord, I have seen, my lord, the present petitioner, my lord, he suffered injury, actually, my lord. He suffered injury. And
My photograph has been annexed in my petition, lordship.
admitted in hospital.
Having seen all this, lordship, I was granted protection. Yes.
My lord, he was admitted in hospital for 2 days, from 13/7/24 to 15/7/24, my lord. He was attacked by the informant. He was called in the night around 1 a.m. my lord. He went to their house and he was assaulted by the informant of this case. And my lord, they went police station to lodge the FIR first, my lord.
When he was hospitalized?
13, here, my lord, a critical care hospital, my lord, from 13/7/24 to 15/7/24.
Then it will be in a case, other case, not in this case. 113. This is a matter related to 112, wherein the incident occurred on on the night of 3rd of July. In the same incident, he cannot sustain injury on 13th of July. He might have appeared after the obtaining of the interim, that is why.
Physical assault on 4/7/24. Yes. This is, my lord, in this case, my lord. Maybe preliminary inquiry, my lord, subsequently he was admitted again, my lord.
I have annexed all these medical papers, Lordship, which is at page number 16 onwards.
As per his statement, my lord, he was assaulted and thrown nearby the pond in the midnight. Subsequently, in the morning, when he gained sense, my lord, somehow he went to the house.
And the person who attacked me, he was my ex father-in-law, Lordship. When my wife left my home, thereafter he pre-plannedly this incident happened, Lordship. Complete pre-planned attack, Lordship. They attacked me and thereafter they have filed FIR against me.
Medical reports are not there. Of the other injured who was sent to Guwahati Medical College Hospital.
No, my lord.
Investigation in down at somebody's behest or what? Hmm? You are also placing similar kind of case there before the, it is without the medical report of the concerned victim who sustained hemorrhage on the incident the night of 3rd and 4th, sent to Guwahati Medical College Hospital. Ask them to be careful. Otherwise, online is sufficient against them. This is not fair enough. যেটা condition আছে তার condition করতে পারছি।
My lord, lordship for my lord,
Is there you have-
anticipation.
Yes, Lordship. Did you receive, Lordship?
Petitioners already on interim.
Lordship, petitioners are in interim, and they have appeared before the IO, statement recorded, Lordship.
What is the note of the IO?
Lordship, as per the order of this Honorable Guwahati High Court, they have been asked to appear before the IOS.
No, what is the note of the IO?
So that is their Lordship, as per note. They have been interrogated by the police and have been released on asked to go, Lordship. Investigation is still on. And no such adverse report is against the petitioner. And one person, Nekbar Ali, he has been arrested, Lordship. And other persons are granted interim and they have appeared, their statement reported.
On which date they have appeared?
Lordship, they have appeared on Lordship.
Your case number to repeat.
On 21/08/24, Lordship, all the persons.
Yes, yes, on which date?
21/08, Lordship.
After obtaining interim bail. On 05. On 21st of August,
Lordship, 21/08.
they appeared on 21st of August,
Yes, Lordship.
but they directed to appear within a week.
But
And the
yes,
order was of 5th of August.
yes, Lordship. After 5th of August, they have, their statement has been recorded and thereafter there is a note of the IO, Lordship.
So 25.
Mhm.
Like it. Condition better for it. They're making it absolute.
Obliged.
Okay.
Notice on the
Lordship,
informant.
Lord, we have sent for intimation on 30/11, Lordship. 30/10, Lordship.
No representation.
Till date, no response has been come. That's right.
list of the weakness.
May I please, Lordship? My lord, may kindly see the FIR, page 8. Here, my lord, I have been shown as absconder in one case, my lord. Whereas I was present in another case. That case's judgment I have annexed, page 17.
Yes, Mr. Paras.
The complainant is the same person.
Scan copy we have not gone through, my lord, yet.
Scan copy was called for, that's right.
Reason is absconding, but absconding is totally uncalled for because in another case I was appearing in the same court. That is page 17.
Service of notice. Service of notice. Maybe sir, just 2 minutes, my lord, we will take instruction, my lord, regarding service of notice. Service, yes.
Service of notice sent long back.
Yes, 15.
Get the information.
Intimation made, my lord. From our end. Intimation.
Page 13 can say that here I have been shown as absconder. But page 17 can say here I was present. So same court, same complaint.
Naurikat is not far. Get the information by next week.
Today, sir, Lordship. Yes,
Noor
Lordship.
Begum.
Notice has been duly served upon respondent number.
Noor Begum, no?
Yes.
Noor Begum, my lord.
One instruction. In October, on which date? 29th.
Lordship,
29th in October.
we have sent our intimation on
28/10.
28/10.
Yes. Next day.
Next day.
29th.
Date is not like.
Aruna Fukan. List on 26th. নাম লিখব অর্ডারটা আছে না on 26 we'll consider your showing the name of Aruna Fukan.
Lordship, may I make item number 48, Lordship? CDB retained, Lordship, picks a matter on after week, Lordship. 48.
Next, earlier matter.
Yes.
They are not appear yet.
CDB retained. All right.
52 CD.
Yes. 52 CD received.
My lord.
Tell us.
Lordship, earlier occasion. But regarding taking the money of what they are calling 46,000 has been taken, that is two witness stated, but from the investigation, my lord, this is not come to light, my lord. Investigation is still going on. In the name of my lord, informants YouTube channel has been, my lord, in the name of recovery of the YouTube channel, total 46,000 was taken. And this is the statement of the complainant and two witnesses. But investigation is not so far progress, my lord.
What is the last date and entry in the case diary?
Last date is 3/11.
Investigation is of 3/11.
3/11 is searching the is not of the searching the accused person. Before that 7/10. 7/10 to 3/11, there's a gap, my lord. Nothing.
He did not appear.
Mustafizur Rahman. No?
Person the case diary.
Mustafizur Rahman. Interim Okay, interim bail.
Yes, you're supposed to inform the court. When did he appear?
Not appear, my lord, as per.
Okay. Heard Mr.
Interim.
M. Hawk, counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. K. K. Parashu. By this application, Bharat River, second.
Interim order of 23/9, my lord. Nothing.
Do by order it is such and such. 2309 such and such. Who directed the petitioner. Granted interim bail to the petitioner in such and such. And direct him to appear before the Lawrence concerned investigating officer of said Golpura PS case number 118/2024. The case diary placed before the court having entry up to 03/11/2024 clearly indicates that the petitioner did not appear before the concerned investigating officer of the case. By order dated 6/11/2024, court directed the counsel for the petitioner to apprise the court as to when the petitioner appeared for the concerned IO of said Golpura PS case number such and such. And fix the matter today. But the petitioner failed to apprise the petitioner, Mr. Such and such, regarding such his appearance. According to this previous application that stands rejected, the interim order in favor of the petitioner candidate also on 2309/2024 for the non-compliance of the petitioner stands rejected. Return the case to the average. Publish.
53, the petitioner appeared before IO, recorded hard state.
Yes. My lord, here attack by the accused victim by homemade knife, my lord, Kotari. And as per the medical report, my lord, injury is simple, though in the scalp, my lord. But injury as per the medical report is simple.
What quarrel was held between two women?
Quarrel between parties.
তর্ক বিতর্ক হয় মহিলা সোনারে মুখ আই কটারিরে আক্রমণ করে কটারিরে
Bail granted to earlier to petitioner.
appear, my lord.
Absolute. Subject to the compliance of the terms. Say what? To be much. What is the medical report dated?
Medical report dated is, my lord. Okay, 8:20 p.m. 8:20 p.m.
Injury on the victim low on the skull. But it was simple illness as part of the victim.
After human.
Yeah. Absolutely.
27/9.
Return the case. Yes.
Publish.
Yes.
May I please, your lordship?
54, you have the case diary.
My lord.
My lord, in this case, I am led by senior counsel, lordship. For personal difficulty, he has left, lordship. Matter may be taken in the next week, lordship.
What is available in the case diary?
Both the persons have appeared after the interim order, my lord. They stated that, my lord, regarding the financial fraud, my lord, they have denied. They are running CSP account, CSP center, my lord. And but the investigation is also not so much progress, my lord. But they have cooperating, my lord, they have appeared.
Last entry.
Last entry.
Not just simple entry, investigation entry, note of the end.
14/10, my lord. Subsequently, nothing, my lord.
List on 4th of December for production of the up-to-date case diary. relating to Boko PS case number 38620224. Till then, petitioner shall remain in interim.
4th of December.
Granted him earlier on 18.
Interim order maybe. Oblige.
May it please, Lordship. Lordship,
CD not received.
See, on 21st of October, we have called for the CD. Ma'am, we have called for the CD on 21st of October. Produce it on 25th. Telling which will pass the order.
Lordship, actually, the coding is under, not comes under the NDPS Act. It comes in the Drugs and Cosmetics Act.
Consider on 25th. Yes, next.
Typically, in this case, my lord, last occasion, my lord, after perusal the CD, my lord, directed the landed CP, my lord, to produce the up-to-date, my lord, further investigation. My lord. In this case, my lord, Mr. H.R. Chaudhary will appear in the case, my lord, but will have the court, my lord.
I'm sorry, my lord, this, we have sent the signal on the same date, my lord, 2010, but it is not taken back, my lord, it is not up to date. Up to 18, years.
Give us a date when.
Statement already recorded.
Give us a date.
At the court has this 3rd of December.
But in interim since 18, already. With the statement of the accused.
Yes, madam.
Recorded.
Yes. Ritam Singh, madam.
No, by why it was, it is up to which date?
1810, madam.
That is the reason on 2810 it was passed.
My lord, yes, we have also sent the signal in the evening of 2810, madam.
Get it. Otherwise have to, again, have to pass similar order for appearance. 3rd of December.
There is an interim order, my lord. Okay.
Have you received from Lala? You have the case diary?
Yes, sir.
Next settlement.
Six.
60. Mankacha, do you have case diary?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Earlier.
62 also CD.
May I please?
62, you have the case diary?
Yes.
In this case, my lord, this will be where, my lord.
Hold on.
63 also available.
63, you have case diary?
Yes.
Or give us. Put to look. I'll turn on it. Recover by slip. These matters will come up tomorrow and we'll take it immediately in the first bail is AB, no?
AB.
Okay.
No interim, my lord.
Not tomorrow. Tomorrow there will be some difficulty. Day after tomorrow.
Day after.
Or on Thursday.
Day after tomorrow, my lord.
Let us see how many are there on Thursday.
My lord, on day after tomorrow, my lord, I have some difficulties, my lord. I have to visit my doctor's chamber, my lord. That's why.
Your item is?
My lord, I have 62. 62
on Thursday.
My lord,
And,
Thursday, my lord.
66
My lord, item 60, my lord.
If there is.
Obliged, my lord.
Report, my lord, of
Thursday,
service of respondent number 2, my lord. If there, he is not appearing service is company, amicus maybe, my lord, in 60.
It's a proxometer.
Proxometer. We have taken a step, my lord.
It was on 6/11. Do you have the report?
Item 60. 60.
Report, no, Lord, report has not been received. Report,
From Mankacha.
yes, it's Mankasa.
Get the report.
Lordship,
Then we'll have it on 25th.
25th.
Get the report.
Lordship.
My lord. There.
To 60 for report, huh? South one Dixon. 58 or 63. We'll take it up immediately. Both are AB.
Lordship.
We'll take up in the bail hearing stage first. 62 Thursday.
Day after tomorrow, my lord.
Yes, both are suited.
That may be reflected.
62 Monday.
My lord.
60 on Monday, 25 for service of notice report. Baki duta 58 and 62, 58 and 63 Wednesday.
That may be
63 Thursday.
63 Thursday.
Who is appearing in 66? None appeared for the petitioner. Heard Mr. Peter. List again on Thursday.
Report of